Hello, I'm El-Ateif. I am presenting MenoGuide Plus, an AI solution that provides personalized nutrition, emotional support, and connections to community for women going through menopause. First of all, we are a team of American learners striving to solve painful solve problems using AI. It is myself, El-Ateif, an AI and Big Data Assistant Professor and AI Google Developer Expert, as well as my students, Sufyan and Zakaria. We actually got inspired by in my family, actually, women, I always hear them complain about hot flashes, night sweats, sleep disturbances, mood changes due to their menopause. And actually, many women suffer from this due to bad nutrition, bad lifestyle choices, and lack of community support as well. That increases their stress and frustration. And inspired from the Google Cloud Code Lab InstaVibe by Christina Lin, we thought of developing an ADK-powered AI guide that can help these women reduce these symptoms. So we developed actually three expert agents, the nutrition one, life coach one, and community one. We stored all of the clinically relevant data around nutrition and lifestyle changes and community in the Google Cloud storage bucket, and then we created our agents using Vertex AI search. Then we developed a Flutter application to make it seamless and much more intuitive to interact with these amazing agents. And as you can see here, one of the things we usually do is track all of the changes that women go through, from mood changes to sleep to actually any kind of perimenopause symptoms, like for example, slow, we still have bleeding at which time, etc. And then we provide a chat option where the women can directly talk to an AI. For example, here the woman is telling us, I'm feeling alone through this period of menopause, and it is actually providing its suggestions. The AI providing suggestions around communities it could reach out to, as well as local resources and associations it can reach out to as well. It also provides nutrition suggestions, like for example, what can the women eat at which period and what would be really helpful in terms of, for example, hydration and then physical activity. We have also added some community support tools and then conferences they can go to and meet new people around the same issue, that suffers from the same issue. So in general, we offer personalized support using AI-powered intelligence from Gemini and Google ADK. And then through the community support, we empower women so they can feel heard. And then we have seamless integration by using the different Google tools and in the Flutter mobile application. Future work, we aim to test the application with more women suffering from menopause challenges and then providing more community support, especially local community support, and then including the Darija, which is our mother tongue in Morocco.